Right, welcome back to this YouTube channel, Maris Tech. In today's tutorial, I'll guide you through with the fastest internet settings that will provide you with the fastest internet connection in all countries and on all networks. So if you're new on this YouTube channel, consider subscribing for more tutorials like this and updates. Don't forget to like the tutorial, and if you get any problem during this tutorial, let me know in the comment section. And that is it. So first step, you're going to open your phone settings, and once you open the settings, you're going to go connections and then mobile networks. Then after, you're going to come and tap access point names. Now in your access point names, you're going to press that plus button, and this is what you're going to set in your APNs. So the APN name will be, you're going to use high speed. Just put high speed and check OK. Then the APN, you're going to use IMS. Then after putting the APN as IMS, you're going to go to the proxy and put proxy. You're going to put 8.8.8.8. Check OK. The port, you're going to put 8080. Now the username don't set, but the server you're going to put www.youtube.com. Then after the MMSC, don't set it. After the MMSC, let us go. Now we're going to the MMS port. We're going to put 8080, and then the MNC, we're going to put 500. The MNC, we're going to put 05. Authentication type, we're going to put none. The APN type, we're going to use default, and then check OK. APN protocol IPv4/IPv6, and the roaming protocol IPv4/IPv6. And that is it. After press the save. Let us meet in the next tutorial. I'm Maris Tech, and I sign out.